Today we're going to tell you about our newest software, which we're really excited about. It's the first real interactive software that we've created. We call it the Interactive Paceline Trainer App Profit Generator. A lot of words, but they all have a lot of meaning when it comes to this particular software. Number one, it is interactive. Number one, you can choose the different pace lines to see how all the horses do at all the different calls and overall. In addition, we've got a pretty heavy trainer app that we use in here, trainer that's very, very revealing when it is combined with the pace line. So let's just go to show you, we'll show you the our actual race card, Gulfstream on the 26th of January. So initially the screen comes up, you see there's nothing here, of course, because we have to choose on a race, so we'll choose first race. And you'll see then everything comes up as far as the races, all the ratings among the different columns. And what we have here, if you look right here where it says choose running line, we can choose one of four running lines, starting with what we would call the best running line, then the first race back, the second race back, the third race back, and the fourth race back. So we have four pace lines that we can look at. And again, when we're doing this, we're looking at, let's go to best. What we're doing is we're looking at the best overall race of the last four and which horse does best overall on the pace trainer combination. You'll see here the horse is named Stunting, the number 11 horse. Then we can go back to the race previous to that, to the first race back, and again we see Stunting's on top. Now this is pretty important because now you've got a horse that, again, overall we're looking at every single horse's best and every single horse's first race back, and again it's Stunting. So when a horse has at least two positions where it's first, then that's significant. And then when we go to the second race back, let's do that, and we see Lucky Polly. So this is a different horse than Stunting. Lucky Polly does best when we go then we go three back, and again we see Lucky Polly. Lucky Polly again is on top as far as the third pace line, and in the fourth pace line we can go as many as four. So here again we have Lucky Polly. So what we've got here, we've got two races that have Lucky Polly. I'm sorry, three calls that have Lucky Polly, and two calls that have Stunting. Now that's important because when you've got one horse again that is best on more than one pace line, that's significant. Now, interestingly, here we use this as an example, and it's a good example, and it doesn't. It's not unusual to see something like this. When we go look at the result chart for this, we see that Lucky Polly won at 14-1, and Stunting was second. So those horses ran 1-2, and again you have a 14-1 shot and a 2-1 shot, and the exacta paid $120. But that just goes to show you the strength of this particular software in that you can analyze up to four pace lines back, and then again when you have a horse that is significantly or the first on more than one pace line, that is very, very, very meaningful. Also remember, our software does so many other things. This is a great software all on its own, but you've got the other features like the speed charts. You can look and see which horses do over on early speed, on final speed, trainer jockey stats, just in chart form alone. And again, you can use that to confirm your play or find other plays that might be other horses that you might want to include in your exotics, etc. So this is the Interactive Paceline Trainer App Profit Generator. You'll see it on our website. Thanks so much for listening.